thus I have sufficient skill in warehouse operation and procurement management. I am taking this video to a World Skill Council certificate. I have learned more about the warehouse importance of transportation, marketing, retailing, and the reliance of international business and logistics. Our main subject, warehouse management, provides a clear understanding about the type of warehouse, its operation, selection of location, equipment, and in material handling, functional areas, etc. Apart from that, it provides a thorough knowledge about how we can procure goods at the lowest price. Economical way of purchasing. International business and logistics management is also worthwhile for me to know about international financial institutions, World Trade Organization, and the globalization. This significance of logistics and SCM in the present scenario has been learned through his subject. The topics covered understand multimodal transportation helped me to know the pros and cons of various mode selections of system, the rules govern the law of insurance, and so on. Marketing and retailing management helped a lot to get a clear picture about the scope of retailing and retaining, location, development of product, pricing, and the role of marketing in this globalized world.